Hey, can somebody tell me where the party at? Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up. Put your hands up, put 'em up. I see a baseline. Come on. Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Doug E. Fresh. Much love and much respect. And this is the joy of creating. Come on. Now let me tell you something. Watch this. You know what? Force yourself to smile and you'll soon stop frowning. Force yourself to laugh and you'll soon find something to laugh about. Ain't that right? You see? Wax enthusiastic and you'll very soon feel so. A being causes his own feelings. It's the joy of creating, y'all. It's the joy of creating, y'all. Come on, put 'em up, yeah. The greatest joy there is in life is creating. Splurge on it. Come on, ain't that right? It's the joy of creating, y'all. Ain't that right? Watch this. Jump around if you know you love creating. Jump around if you know you love creating. Jump around if you, jump around if you. Put up your hand if you know that you're down. Say joy. Say joy. Yo, there's a positive force and a negative force, and a spiritual being has the freedom of choice. I can make music by using my voice. Turn a frown to a smile, make people rejoice. From a real good feeling that's hard to fake. The greatest gift in life is to love create. So don't hesitate, just communicate and get in the game and participate. Splurge on it. Splurge on it. Come on. It's the joy of creating, y'all. Ain't that right? Joy of creating, y'all. Come on. Put 'em up now. Put 'em up now. Put 'em up now. That's what it's all about, baby.